Australians are wondering what real estate markets will look like on the other side of the virus shutdown period. As political leaders move to gradually lift restrictions and allow economies to function again, the key question for real estate is which markets will get through and beyond the shutdown in the best shape. Now, I believe there are three vital clues. One is the shape of the market going into the shutdown. The second is the level of vacancies at that time. And the third is the makeup of the local economy. Now, on those criteria, the Adelaide property market is particularly well placed to emerge from the shutdown with prospects for growth. Coming into the virus crisis, Adelaide was one of the leading capital city markets in the nation with the best prospects for growth. The autumn 2020 edition of the Price Predictor Index, published last week, showed that Adelaide ranked number one amongst the state and territory capital cities for the number of suburbs with rising sales activity, outranking both Melbourne and Sydney. And many sectors of the city's market were delivering good price growth. Adelaide is one of the nation's most consistent property markets. It always delivers steady demand, underpinned by a solid local economy and helped by the exceptional value for money offered by its housing market. Adelaide also had a very low vacancy rate heading into the shutdown period, an overall vacancy rate in fact below 1%, which means the city's rental market is well placed to absorb the extra rental stock coming into the market because of the impact of the virus shutdown. The third factor is that the city's economy is in a strong position to recover well from the shutdown period. Adelaide is the high-tech innovation capital of Australia, and South Australia leads the nation in the production of alternative energy. It has been traditionally transitioning strongly from old-style manufacturing to the production of modern technology products. One of the likely outcomes from the virus crisis is a revival of manufacturing in Australia, and Adelaide is well placed to benefit from that. Adelaide also has strong sectors in education and medical services, and it has a state government which has been spending significant amounts on infrastructure and has announced plans to fast-track shovel-ready infrastructure projects to lead the economic recovery on the other side of the shutdown period. So overall, I see Adelaide as being one of the absolute best cities in the nation for real estate investment with good prospects for future growth, as well as above average rental yields. So take a look at my new edition of Top 5 Adelaide Hotspots and get a feel for the best places to buy in Australia's most underrated city market. Bye for now.